Okay, before I get too far into this project, I wanted to show you kind of what I'm working on. So this is the version 2 of that makeup bag, and I wanted to try doing it inverse. So here's gonna be the bottom, which is I'm going to stitch with this bottom, inside out. I'm going to make the top here where the zipper is. I'm gonna cut out this this curved section all the way down, and put the zipper here. And I'm going to do it pretty much the same, where I turn it inside out, sew the bottom, sew the sides, and then do the little fold in, and then turn it inside out. This way, I don't have to worry about those little keepers. Might end up being a little bit easier. So I'm going to proceed with this, and then show you how it comes along. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so here I taped it down, punched out all the holes, cut it along here. You'll notice these little notches in the pattern. These are just to make it easier to make this little fold here. So here it is, all cut out. So like I said, I'm going to do the zipper first, and let me see what size this is. Hold on. So this is going to be, it's just under 9 inches from here to here. So probably a 9-inch zipper you can get from your local store or Amazon or wherever is going to work. Usually what I do is I glue it down first underneath on the bottom side to the zipper. And then while it's glued down, I punch the holes, through, these same holes, but into the zipper. And then stitch it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so here it is. It's still inside out. I got the zipper sewed in there, and then I sewed here along the bottom. Then I did the sides and the other side. And then I did each of the fold-ins. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it inside. Make sure you undo the zipper before you do these pieces, because if it's zipped up, it's hard to grab the little tab and unzip it. So you can fold it inside out. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now and show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is, right side out. I went ahead and actually added this little pull tab on the side that you can do sew to the inside of, or well, it'll be the inside when it's inside out. But this little pull tab, it just makes it a little bit more convenient when opening the zipper. And also you can use this to hang from a coat hook, or the back of a coat hanger thing in the bathroom, or wherever you might want to use that. Oh, or hang keys from it if you want to, or a wrist strap might even work too. So here's what it looks like, though. The bottoms, that's where you sewed it. Here's the edges there, the corners. And let me show you with the zipper closed. Hold on. Okay, here's with zipper closed. Yeah, this pattern might be a little bit easier for you to do with when sewing zippers and when just sewing it completely. So yeah, I'll put some more pictures at the end of this, but this is version 2 of a makeup bag or pencil case, or whatever you might want to use it for. Even if you put a wrist strap on it, you could use it as it's like a clutch, like a small purse type thing. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the pattern. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.